Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the ROI of Axie Infinity Axie Genetics Breakdown. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding Axie genetics is crucial to maximizing your return on investment. First, let's start with the basics. Each Axie has 6 body parts, including eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. These body parts determine an Axie's attributes, such as health, speed, and attack power. The genetics of an Axie are determined by its DNA, which is made up of a combination of dominant and recessive genes. To break down the genetics of an Axie, you need to understand the concept of dominant and recessive genes. Dominant genes will always be expressed if an Axie has one copy of the gene, while recessive genes will only be expressed if an Axie has 2 copies of the gene. When breeding Axies, it's essential to consider the genetics of both parents. The offspring will inherit a combination of genes from both parents, and the resulting Axie will have its own unique set of attributes. To maximize your ROI, you need to focus on breeding Axies with high-value attributes, such as high attack power or speed. You should also consider the rarity of the Axie, with rarer Axies generally being more valuable. In practice, this means selecting parents with high-value attributes and breeding them to produce offspring with similar characteristics. You should also consider the genetic diversity of your Axies, as a diverse gene pool can increase the chances of producing rare and valuable Axies. Best practices include keeping a balanced portfolio of Axies, with a mix of high-value and low-value Axies. This will help you to manage your risk and maximize your returns. You should also stay up to date with the latest market trends and adjust your breeding strategy accordingly. In conclusion, understanding Axie genetics is crucial to maximizing your ROI in Axie Infinity. By focusing on high-value attributes, considering genetic diversity, and staying up to date with market trends, you can increase your chances of success in the game. Remember to always keep a balanced portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed to maximize your returns.